Planning a trip can often feel like a second job. You spend hours searching for the best flights. Trying to build a perfect itinerary can be overwhelming. Fortunately, technology is here to help us. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing how we plan travel. AI tools can simplify many of these difficult tasks. They can search for information much faster than a human. This means AI can find the best deals for you. It can also suggest personalized travel plans. Think of AI as your very own smart travel assistant. It works tirelessly behind the scenes. Its goal is to make your travel planning easier and more efficient. AI helps by taking over the repetitive and time-consuming parts of planning. Imagine getting flight alerts directly. Welcome to the new age of travel planning. Several AI-powered tools are ready to assist you. Google Travel is a very popular choice. It brings together flights, hotels, and things to do. It uses Google's powerful search abilities. This makes finding information quick and easy. Another great tool is TripIt. TripIt helps you organize all your bookings in one place. You just forward your confirmation emails. TripIt then creates a master itinerary for you. For finding the best travel deals, Kayak and Skyscanner are excellent. Both are search engines for travel. They compare prices from hundreds of travel sites. This helps you find the cheapest flights and hotels. They use AI to predict if prices might rise or fall. ChatGPT is a different kind of AI tool. You can ask it questions in plain language. For example, you can ask it to create an itinerary. It's like having a knowledgeable travel expert to chat with. Booking flights is often the first step in travel planning. AI tools like Kayak and Skyscanner simplify this. Enter your departure city and destination. Then, select your travel dates. The AI will search many airlines and travel agencies. It will show you a list of available flights. You can sort these flights by price, duration, or airline. Look for features like price prediction. This tells you if you should book now or wait. When you find a flight you like, click on it. The tool will usually take you to the airline's website. Booking hotels is also easier with AI. Enter your destination and check-in and check-out dates. The AI will show you a list of hotels. You can filter these results by price, star rating, or guest reviews. Remember to confirm your booking details before finalizing. Once flights and hotels are booked, it's time for the itinerary. This is where tools like TripIt shine. You can forward your flight, hotel, and car rental confirmation emails to TripIt. It automatically creates a detailed daily schedule. All your plans are in one place. TripIt can be accessed online or via its mobile app. Google Travel also helps organize your plans. If you use Gmail, it can automatically find travel reservations. These are then added to your trips in Google Travel. You can also manually add plans. Google Travel allows you to explore things to do. It suggests popular attractions, restaurants, and tours. For creating truly custom itineraries, AI chatbots like ChatGPT are fantastic. You can tell ChatGPT your interests. ChatGPT will then generate a suggested plan. AI tools are also great for local discovery while you travel. Google Maps uses AI to suggest nearby restaurants or attractions. When using AI travel tools, it's natural to think about data privacy. These tools often need access to your information. This includes your email for booking confirmations. It includes your search history to learn your preferences. Reputable companies have privacy policies. These explain how they use your data. It is a good idea to review these policies. Understand what information is being collected. Also, understand how it is being stored and protected. You can manage your privacy settings. Most AI tools allow you to control data sharing. For example, in Google, you can manage your activity controls. You can choose to delete your search history. AI is here to make travel planning better. It simplifies complex tasks. Happy travels, and enjoy the journey from the very first step of planning. This is the Technocrat signing off for now. See you in the next video.